Hello, what is up guys? It is Ados here from Panda with a new video. I am going to open up 6 Sun and Moon packs from my local Kmart. The lighting is the same as last time because it's like, it's probably about 5 o'clock at night at the moment. So I had to use a lamp, so the lighting's not going to be very good, but yeah, let's get right into these. I just ripped the tops off. Okay. I am very weak today, apparently. We've got a Primarina pack. We've got a Lunala pack. And Incineroar pack. We throw the rubbish on the ground because, why not? I will get these other packs out. We have a Decidueye pack. Favorite Pokemon from Sun and Moon, as you guys might know. A Solgaleo pack. And for the last pack, we have a Decidueye pack. So I'm going to put the 2 Decidueye together. I'm going to go least favorite to most favorite. So I'm going to go Primarina, Lunala, Incineroar, Solgaleo, and then 2 of the Decidueye. So we'll put them down and we'll open the Lunala first. Now I'm just trying to see what the glare is like. It doesn't look too bad. So let's get into this pack. Can't even open this pack. I'll give the codes for this video. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay. We've got a Skarmory. A Morelol. Okay, it's green card. A Chinchou. A Cutiefly. A Dratini. A Water Energy. Great Ball. A Pyukumuku. A Rotomdex, Professor Kukui, and an Incineroar. Okay, put that over to the side. Now, for the Lunala pack, if I can, sorry, I'm just going to take it off camera and open it from here, because it's really hard to open for some weird reason. Now, here's the code card. Enjoy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay. Green code again. That's not good. Okay, we got a Poplio, a Zubat, a Carvana, a Snubble, a Wingull, Steel Energy, a Trumbeak, Energy Switch, Torracat, Professor Kukui, 2 Professor Kukuis in a row, and a Masquerain. We'll chuck him over there, next to the code cards. Now we've got an Incineroar pack. Now this one opened a lot easier. Maybe that's a good thing. Okay, we've got the code card. Oh, and it's a green again. So that doesn't mean we're getting any EXs. I did that right, almost stuffed it. We've got a Lillipup, a Cosmog, a Rowlet, a Yungoos, a Torkoal, Fire Energy, Crushing Hammer, Poliwhirl, Dragonair, Surskit, and Parasect. Chuck them over there, and now we got a Solgaleo pack. Code card. Another green. Oh, that's bad. So I did my trick like we told you in the last video, and it doesn't seem to be pulling off unless one of these 2 can give us a secret rare or a full art or EX. So we've got a Roggenrola, a Sandygast, Caterpie, Skarmory, Morolol, Steel Energies, Pinsir, a Rare Candy, a Brioni, a Stuffle, and another Parasect. That's 2 Parasects in a row. Let's hope we can get a white code out of my favourite Pokemon pack. It's a white code, which is a good thing. And we got the code card. Enjoy. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Alrighty. Let's hope we get something. Fermantis, a Cosmog, a Roggenrola, a Sandygast, Caterpie, a Fire Energy, a Wishy-Washy, a Lowenraticate, Dartrix, Energy Switch, and oh, look at these. Full Art Lapras GX. Just, see, the one thing that I like about this lighting but hate about this lighting is, one, it makes the cards look really, really cool. But 2, when I go like this, you guys get a shadow. So it sucks a little bit, but it's good. So, we got a Full Art Lapras GX. Let's see if the next pack of my favourite Pokemon can give us another white code. That would be pretty amazing. Alright. It's another white code. I'm yeah, getting pretty excited about this. Here's the code card, guys. Chuck it in. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. To the back. Sorry. Okay. We have a Pikipek, a Lone Meowth, Sandile, Crabrawler, a Drowsy, a Lightning Energy, a Hypno, a Potion, a Spinder, a Shiinotic, and all Umbreon GX. So the 2 last packs, my favourite Pokemon, Decidueye, delivered. Okay, so we got a Lapras GX, Full Art, and then we got an Umbreon GX, normal. I'm pretty happy with that, because I also got a card that I was looking for, which is a Shiinotic, which is really good, because I needed another one of the Shiinotics for my Decidueye deck. And yeah, if you guys did enjoy the video, chuck us a like. If you didn't, that's okay, chuck us a dislike. And the subscribe button should be just probably right there. So you guys, enjoy the rest of your night, day, whatever it is. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. I think I'd be better off all alone.